Hello guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Today we will be repairing a copper tube. It was busted because of the freezing temperatures here on San Antonio, Texas. We're not prepared for that type of weather, but anyway, it can happen anywhere. This particular tube got busted, as you can see, because it got frozen, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna get all panic. You're gonna call a plumber, and they're gonna charge you hundreds, and that's the end of the story because you think it needs to be soldered. So that's not the case. Now we have the option of repairing these tubes without soldering. To give you an idea, we have these angles, they're soldered, but we have the option to fix that too without soldering. In this case, we're just gonna fix a straight pipe, right? Straight pipe, and we're gonna repair with these things called shark bites. Now they sell all type of sizes and 45s, 90s, everything that you need to repair the copper tube lines of, running water, of course, not gas or electricity. This is for water. So the first thing we will do is that we're gonna cut the lines. Where the damage is, we're gonna cut it, and we're gonna use one of these cutting tools. Don't use a hacksaw because that leaves a very rough edges. These things, they leave a pretty nice cut. It's a clean cut, and that's what we need for the shark bites to work. So we start by getting a little bit tight first and turn it all the way around. Another twist, and again twist, and again twist, and again, and you do it like that until you completely cut the tube. And believe me, man, you save hundreds of dollars. And these things, these sharp bites, they're made to last. You can consider it as a permanent job. They're not cheap though, but they're really good, and you still will save hundreds. Okay, so I cut the tube, as you can see. Okay, now I gotta cut that other part. And this is how this one was cut. Really smooth cut. That's what we need. Now also try to make sure that where you're gonna cut it, the copper is not bent. Okay, it has to be circular, otherwise it will not work pretty good on the chart. So now I'm gonna cut this other part off right here, so that way I can put it together. So we're doing the same thing. Turn, 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 tight, turn. You can see how clean it worked out. These things are real cheap. I'll suggest you to buy one and do the cut. Alright, so now we got both ends cut. Now it's time to open the bag for our precious tool. Before you insert this thing, make sure this is pretty clean. If you have a little bit of sandpaper, real fine, clean it so that we just make sure it's pretty clean. Okay, so I'm gonna clean it a little bit. This is a real fine sandpaper, just to get all the debris out. This is 120 sandpaper, but 220 will be best. All right, now that it's clean, we are ready to insert the sharp bite. See how it's in the middle? So all we have to do is just stick it in there like that, and once you have it in there, make sure you pushed. See that? Now you will not take this out for nothing. It will be there. And I'm just gonna do the other side. Clean it. Once it's clean, I'm gonna, oops, sorry for the camera. I'm gonna push this side. And bingo. Guys, right now we just made a repair that it will cost hundreds of dollars in less than 20 minutes. This is permanent. You don't have to hire anybody to do it. You can do it yourself. You saw how easy it is. This thing can be wet, it can be dry, it can be whatever you want, and this is still a pretty good seal. This thing, it's guaranteed. Now, another good thing about these things is that this can be removed. They sell this tool in which they push this back, and you can take the sharp bite out and reuse it actually. So this is a pretty amazing tool. This is it, guys. This I show you how to repair a straight line, but you can repair corners, you can repair 45 degrees, you can repair anything you want. This is amazing. You can save hundreds of dollars. Alright guys, so if you like it, just make sure to subscribe to my channel for more epic repairs. The next video is going to be so epic, so just make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.